Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Basalt Tech, and here I am going to show you that a new free BTC mining platform where you can mine Bitcoin for free and easily. The equation is very simple to solve this. To join this website to get free BTC from here instantly without deposit, you can take withdraw from here. More scroll down, you can check out recent withdraw transactions, you can check out each and everything, check out dates, time, each and everything. Now how can you start your mining and how can you reach here? I will provide the link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you can reach here without wasting any time. More scroll down, you can check out instant withdraw, instantly connect, no maintenance fee for this website to start mining. You just need a first pay account to start your money. Click on wallet option. Now after go to your first pay account, then click on BTC, click on deposit option. Now here you need to copy your deposit address. Now come to the website and here you need to enter your BTC wallet address which is copied from your first pay account. Then click on get started option. Now you can see your money will start here automatically without an obstacle, without any station, as you can see in front of you. Now here you can see that my mining already start in the form of BTC. I have 11 TH hash rate power which I got from this website for free and easily. Daily profit, and you can check out. You can also get a huge benefit from here if you want. I will tell you each and everything about this website right now. If you want to make deposit here, then you just need to click on deposit option now. Then it will bring you over here. Here you got a wallet address. You have to copy this address, paste this address in another crypto wallet to deposit here BTC. Only you can deposit here BTC through BNB Smart Chain BEP20, and if you deposit here 0.2 times 05, then you can see your transaction over here. After enter your required amount over here, how can you buy TH hash rate power? Then click on buy power option now. And it will bring you over here. You can see that I got 4 times of TH hash rate power from this website very easily. Here you need to enter your required TH hash rate power. If you want to get 10 TH hash rate power, you can buy from here 1 TH hash rate power minimum and as maximum as much as you want. You should have 10 Satoshi of BTC at this place to buy 10 TH hash rate power from here. If you want to increase your TH hash rate power, it's upon you. If you want to get 1000 TH hash rate power, then you should have 0.3 times 01 BTC in this website. If you want to increase more hash rate power, then you can see that if you can make deposit of 0.001 BTC, then you can buy only 10,000 TH hash rate power from here by using 0.001 BTC, and you will get 12,727 TH hash rate power as a reward from this website. And how much profit you can generate from here per day. In this way you can earn a huge benefit from this website. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Now if you want to increase your earning and if you want to get more benefit from here without deposit, then here you go to your affiliate link. You have to copy this link, share this link with your friend, with your family member. If a person join this website and deposit here, you will earn a huge benefit from your each referral deposit. Hopefully you like it, you love it.